This is our home server. We just asked it to plan our week. Micelclaw is a self-hosted AI productivity OS. Notes, mail, calendar, photos, files, money, one local database on your own hardware. On top, 7 agents that actually know your data, on the web, on Telegram, even by voice. Ask for a plan. You get a real document rendered as it's written. Hard question. The agent's deliberate. You get to watch. Tell your agent to save a note. Open notes. It's already there. Everything you keep becomes part of one graph. Photos, you can search by what's in them. Files with instant previews, share with a QR. Telegram, WhatsApp signal, one inbox. And real accounting, taxes included. All of this runs on a mini PC, local models if you want. Your data never leaves home. Micelclaw, your self-hosted AI productivity OS.